Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing, and as you can see, it's for Alan Wake Remastered. So apologies if I sound a bit numb or a bit slurring in my words. I've just got back from the dentist, so yeah, had two fillings, and I can't feel anything on my left hand side at the minute. So yeah, that's fun. But yeah, so as you can see, Alan Wake Remastered. Really looking forward to playing this on the Series X. Completed it on the 360 when it came out in 2010, so yeah, really looking forward to playing this again. So that's the side, there's the back. The horror story is coming true. So all new remastered 4K visuals, enhanced cutscenes and more. I think there's a director's commentary as well. So yeah, it's optimized for Series X. 60 frames a second, 4K Ultra HD as well. So I believe the install size is about 40 gigs, something like that. Then inside we have the disc, and that's about it. So yeah, that's it for my unboxing of Alan Wake Remastered on the Xbox Series X, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I'm going to take my numb and slurring face out of here, and yeah. Cheers, guys. Catch you later. Bye bye.